this one.
Fun. And also look at this guy. There's
What is that?
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird.
Yes, Angry Bird.
Oh, blind bag. Oh, what? No, it's called blind bag. Like surprise or something. The easy and inside.
Yeah, easy, you know it.
No, I don't want that one because easy to see it.
Spider-Man. Ooh, some glow. And like this.
I like your head, pony head.
Oh, thank you. He looks so glowy.
Wow, I like it.
You like it?
Bonzy, bonzy, bonzy. Star Wars.
And also, I would buy this pony. I just get it.
Yeah, and your head.
Yeah,
Right here.
reason too.
What in here?
That is slime.
I know you got this one too, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I got.
This one purple.
Friend, look at this.
First. Oh, cute. They don't have all color, you know.
All colors.
This one I got my earring. Look at this. Look cute. Where you go looking?
Friend, we're looking for cooking.
For cooking?
For cook like cake or cupcake or something.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, waffle.
Why is so little? Oh my goodness.
Sweetie bowl.
Oh, Angie, look. Oh, they have blue, have red.
I take blue. This color blue.
You want to take the color, this one?
Yes.
The light blue like that?
Yes.
You don't want the dark blue?
No.
You sure? Red?
No.
No?
No, I take this one.
You want to take this color right there?
Yes.
See, you want to take this
I
color?
take that color.
Okay.
Oh. There it is. It's not much heavy.
No, not that much. I'm going to put my earring right there. I don't want
Oh.
drop.
No. Oh.
That's okay, this one. Now she got this one. I want to go get another one. Oh, cooking. No. Go. Come on. You see it? Hear sound. Like that.
I think I cooked it already.
Yeah, now for stay right kitchen, right?
Oh, can I take that one?
This one will take for cooking. Okay.
This one too.
Yep. You want dinosaur or you want the flower?
I take this one.
You want the flower?
This one for girl.
Okay. I'll put right here, right?
Yep.
Okay. What you got around here? I want check.
You take that one?
Yep.
Okay. And mine.
Yes.
Friend. Also, let me show you guys separate.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Cool.
I hold it.
Okay, sure.
It's so small.
It's so small.
I get pink mixers.
Yeah.
And
What
I
the bowl? You want to take bowl pink one or which one you like it?
I take this bowl pink.
Okay, take one, right?
Yep.
Oh, you're doing two. Okay. Oh. Go ahead, take the bottom one. Yeah, make the stir the cake. See, color pink. Adding pink.
Yep.
How about the gray one?
This one.
What's her name?
Her name is. Look like her. I know her name.
What's her name?
Her name is Bubble Clean. Bubble Clean. Bubble Clean. Bubble Clean. Oh. The bubble fish tried to get off of my hand. Goodness.
Goodness. It's Ola.
Yeah.
Hi, Ola. You want Ola?
Yeah.
Okay, take Ola one. Yep.
Downstairs.
For the doctor? Oh, look at that, Angie.
So small. Looks so cute.
Mm.
And I'm a queen right here too. Okay,
I know.
Oh goodness, it's so cute.
I know, so cute. Okay, this one that I got today.
Yep.
This one.
Yep.
Come on. Now let's go check out.
Let's go check it out.
Okay. Let's go check out. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Don't forget, like me, subscribe. Don't forget, like my channel. Bye.